Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to explain why contact names are showing on your phone even when the number is not saved. If this confused you or made you think something is wrong with your phone, don't worry, just follow along and I'll break it down step by step. All right, let's get started. So first, let's talk about what's causing this issue. Recently, a new telecom feature called CNAP was introduced. CNAP stands for Calling Name Presentation. Because of this feature, when someone calls you, their name can appear on your screen even if the number is not saved in your contacts. Now, where does this name come from? The name you see is usually the name used when the SIM card was purchased and registered, not something from your phone or WhatsApp contacts. Next question people ask is, what exactly is CNAP and why does it exist? CNAP is a telecom service that shows the caller's name during incoming calls. Its main goal is to give users more information about who's calling. Another big reason for CNAP is security. It helps reduce spam calls, scam calls, fraud attempts, and unwanted promotional calls. Now let's answer the most common question. Can you turn CNAP on or off? The simple answer is no. There's no setting on your phone to enable or disable CNAP. If your carrier supports it, the feature is automatically activated. However, keep this in mind. Some mobile phones do not support CNAP because they lack the required hardware or software. So if you don't see this feature on your device, that's completely normal. And that's it. Now you know exactly why unsaved numbers are showing names on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tech guides like this one.